I recently bought my first mechanical keyboard and I love it. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I chose this keyboard, what I learned about mechanical keyboards, and what you need to know if you're in the market for one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Akash. I'm a product manager in Silicon Valley, and on this channel we talk about all the different ways that you can be more successful as a product manager. I bought the Epomaker GK96S with Gatron blue clicky switches from Kickstarter in late 2020, and I've been using this as my primary keyboard for the last month and a half now. Link to the keyboard on the Epomaker website in the description below. I love this keyboard and I'm really glad that I bought it, but I had to learn a lot about mechanical keyboards before I knew that I wanted this exact configuration. Let me talk you through some of that now. First, mechanical keyboards are different than most inbuilt or included keyboards because each key has a mechanical key switch mechanism where the key actually moves up and down to actuate or activate each keystroke. This is far better than membrane keyboards, which represent 90% of the keyboards today. This keyboard has already increased my typing speed by 20%, and I'm using keyboard.com to increase it even further. Second, mechanical keyboards come with hundreds of different switch types. To simplify things, these switch types can be broken into three categories: linear, clicky, and tactile. Linear keys just go up and down with a spring, producing a smooth feel. Clicky switches have a double activation mechanism in the keys, so each press makes the inner key click to actuate. Tactile keys work similar to linear keys but have a non-linear break in the keys to give them a clicky feel without being as loud as clicky switches. There's no best or worst here. It all comes down to your personal preference and environment. I chose clicky because these are the most satisfying, and while working from home I don't have to worry about typing very loudly. I was most confused about which switch to order and spent the most time researching and testing this part. I ended up getting a switch tester from Amazon to compare these different switches. I highly recommend that if you're confused on which switch you like, you should get one of these. Link in the description below. Third, mechanical keyboards like mine have RGB lights below each key, making cool patterns and waves with colors while typing. This is all programmable from the keyboard or with the accompanying software on my Mac. Working from home, I've been spending a lot of time at my computer, and most of that is spent typing. This is time spent writing a product spec, taking notes, communicating on Slack, or a bunch of different tasks. This keyboard has made me smile a little bit every time I use it, making my daily routine that much more enjoyable. Let me know in the comments what mechanical keyboards you like, or if you're in the market for one, what kind of questions you're having. Cheers, bye.